Hello and welcome to Carlisle. I'm on Meadow Lane today, which is just off Dalston Road. It's the new Charles Church development, and what I've come to see is this absolute monster behind me. I'm trying to walk away to get it all in focus, and I'll probably have to go and get a mile away from this. That's it. It's huge. So we've got a double garage, but actually one of these garages has been turned very cleverly into a workshop. We've got 5 bedrooms upstairs, and the main bedroom is massive. It's got a bit of a dressing area, it's got an ensuite, and a huge bedroom. It's absolutely beautiful. Downstairs, the rooms are massive. We've got a great garden on the other side as well. So a real peach, this one. Carlisle itself is only 2-3 miles away, so it's an easy reach. We've got good access links to Dalston as well and out to the west. So what I'll do is I'll do a little flip around, show you exactly where it sits in the development. We'll take you around the garden and then we'll take you. This part of the development is tucked really nicely away, and we've just got these mega houses in the corner, and this is the one that we've come to see. It's absolutely beautiful. So let me take you around the back garden and then we'll go, as I say, inside. So in we go. And we're welcomed by this absolutely gorgeous hallway. Now, I love this house. I don't know if you can tell, but it's absolutely beautiful. So we've got this lovely galleried landing up there. We've got some understairs storage there. And we'll start with this, which these guys are using as a bit of a snug at the moment, but it would make a perfect downstairs bedroom. Bedroom 6, believe it or not, if you need it. And we'll go through into this super bright living room. Get the paneling on the wall. So this gives us great access into the garden, which is a good size. Lots of entertaining areas in there. And then from there, we'll roll around into this huge L-shaped kitchen, diner, living space. Parrot not included. Again, we've got more access into that fabulous garden, but look at this. It's a real family hub. It really is. I think I would never leave this room. So a fabulous kitchen. A cook's kitchen, this one. Look at the stove. And then we'll go through into the utility. So the utility's got a WC. And on this side, we're all plumbed for the washing machine, the dryer. I've got another little space here. And then this leads us through into the garage. Now the garage is very cool. So a double garage, but these guys have actually done a bit of work on this. So we've got another cooker. We've got a stove there, and that's run off bottled gas. So if you're making any jams or anything like that, it keeps all the smells out of the house. We've got loads of storage, and we've still got a space where we can get a car in. But they've built these walls up here. We've got stud walls here, which gives a workshop in there. So that could easily come out if you want, or if you need a bit of a workshop space or a tinker space, that's absolutely perfect. That gives us access around the side. And then back through we go. And then we'll take you upstairs. So upstairs is very cool, and the main bedroom, I've got real envy of that. It's absolutely stunning. So great big open landing. And then the first bedroom we'll come to, it's got storage here. It's got masses of fitted wardrobes. And it also has access to a Jack and Jill bathroom, which is a brilliant idea. So really nicely kitted out suite. And then we've got a shower cubicle here. That door leads us into the next bedroom. So we'll do the bedrooms. I'll show you how that bathroom works. So the next bedroom, that's your access to the Jack and Jill. Again, we've got lovely fitted wardrobes in here. And lovely field views at the back. Okay. And the next bedroom we come to, these guys have got this set up as an office at the moment, but a really nice big double bedroom. That's the room I'm telling you about. Save that till last. I'll show you the next room. So again, another bedroom, another double with that lovely view. Then we have the family bathroom. So really nicely specced out this. These guys have spent a bit of money upgrading stuff in here, and it's beautiful. It really is. And then this bedroom is to die for. Look at that. So we've got wardrobes here, a bit of a dressing space that goes through into the ensuite. And the ensuite again, look at that. We've got a really cool sink there. A shower cubicle with a mains fed power shower in this one. And then we've got this fabulous bath in here. And then this opens into this amazing bedroom space. Let me just get in the corner. And we've got Sharps fitted wardrobes down there, which cost an absolute arm and leg if you've looked into those. Whew. But what a cracking house. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is the beautiful back garden. As you can see, it's made for entertaining. We've got that lovely pergola just there. We've had a bit of a sun today, so all the lawnmowers are out. But there, it's a cracker.